slashing fares in half for these areas known as transportation deserts because there's just not enough mass transit in them. Let's take a look at the map for the stations that would be impacted going into Atlantic Terminal. First of all, we'd have Queens Village, but also Hollis, St. Albans, Rosedale, Laurelton, Locust Manor, Jamaica, East New York, and Nostrand Avenue. This has been kicked around by the MTA for 10 years from their ridership councils. Finally, they're saying, all right, let's put this pilot program in place, 6 to 12 months. We'll see if we can actually get a boost in ridership. And if we do it, it would offset the fact that we were slashing fares. The reason why is to make it more accessible to the subway rider who's paying about half of that. We ran it by a commuter this morning, and she said, hey, this is a win-win.
About an hour and a half, and quite pricey, and you're waiting for buses, waiting for trains. So this will work.
Let's show you the money. By the numbers, fares would be slashed from $10 to $5. That's a one-way peak. A 7-day combo pass, including transit, would be slashed down to $60. The biggest savings, though, is going to be the time that people get back in their lives. Some people would get an estimated 3 hours back in their day shaved off of a long and onerous commute. That is something that is absolutely priceless, of course. And the bonus, if this works with the LIRR, they're going to look at it next for Metro North in Westchester.